What's up, guys? Sam is here with today's banking and fintech news. OCC confirmed the banking happened. The US banking regulator reviewed 9 largest US banks and found they had policies restricting or denying certain sectors from banking services, and not always because of the financial risks, but sometimes for political, religious, or social considerations. Some of the industries that were affected include oil and gas, crypto firms, firearms, and anyone with negative media coverage. So be careful what you're publishing online. The whole story seems like happened between 2020 and 2023, and in some cases was even publicly announced by banks during those years. OCC said it may escalate cases to US Justice Department if they find unlawful discrimination or unfair access practices. Some say this is part of the bigger political fight. Conservatives have accused banks of being politically biased, especially against firearms and fossil fuel industries, and Trump's administration pushed towards this review. And I understand why, because he said he and his family were refused of banking services by big banks very recently. And regulators also stopped using reputational risks as a supervisory metric because banks said it pressured them into avoiding controversial sectors. So what does that mean? It means if OCC cracks down, banks could lose a lot of discretion in deciding who they work with, and industries that were partially pushed out of the financial industry may gain access to banking services again.